so you want to go off-grid in your camper. This camper van has 2 solar panels on the top, a 26 litre fridge. There are 2 2.1 amp USB outlets. The solar system can charge 4 mobile phones a day, including 2 teenagers' phones, so they get heavy use. It runs the fridge continuously, and you can run it while you're driving on the ferry. There's 2 lights, so there's this light under the kitchen / bathroom. There's a short piece of strip I've cut off, and then this directable light here. Okay, so let's have a look in the front. Some people find this strange, but I think it's perfect because it saved us a lot of work having to take the cab out. I've popped the fridge on the front seat, and you've seen in our other videos that sits here in the middle, and I'm going to show you what's underneath that fridge today. Not many people get to see that. So let's go into this dark hole under the fridge. Mounted on a metal plate with a gap, there is a solar charge controller. That's a Victron Energy one. I'll show you the app as well. And this is a 95 amp hour AGM battery, and we had that so we could run it quite low. Normal leisure batteries don't do well if you run them quite low. Whatever you do, do not try and run your fridge off the vehicle engine start battery, because that's going to end up in going nowhere. Your vehicle won't start because your fridge will quickly eat up all the energy in the battery. So this battery is charging during the day and it's powering the fridge during the day. Then at night this battery is taking over to keep that fridge going overnight or when it's on the ferry. I'm so pleased with it. It's only ever gone wrong on us once, and that was because I think the fridge voltage threshold was set very high, something like 11.8, and we turned all the phone chargers on and it took that voltage down. There was nothing wrong apart from this read the voltage wrong and it shut down, and we noticed, thankfully we didn't lose all our food. So I'm going to show you the app. Let's put this in a better holder. So in the app we have got our records of when we were in France a couple of weeks ago, loads and loads of energy being used, stored into phones, into the fridge, into our action camera, all sorts of devices, and it worked brilliantly. And the great thing is when it's sunny it's hot and then the fridge needs to work harder, but because it's sunny it's actually making more electricity most of the time. So that actually works out. When it gets hotter weather the fridge has to work harder, but there's more solar energy. So it's perfect kind of a system really. It feels so good to be off grid. You can keep your food in the fridge indefinitely, and it's just something wonderful about not having to plug in, not have to use fossil fuels. I accept there's problems with the producing enough solar panels for everybody, and having solar panels is going to have some sort of detriment on the earth as well. Some good tips for you is to use the solar as much as you can in the day. It sounds obvious, but people forget. My children certainly forget. Make sure you're charging before you go out in the morning. Charge as many devices as you can during the day. Not always possible. You might want to charge something overnight. We like to leave the fridge to have sole use of the power during overnight until the sun comes up. As always on Sleepy Adventures, remember to get out and plan your own adventure, have some fun, and thank you for finding out about Sleepy's solar system and how Sleepy powers all of our adventures. See you soon.